Welcome to the D&D Gardening Channel. Here's your host, Dee.
Good morning, everyone. This is Dee from D&D Gardening, and welcome to our channel. Today, I have lots of things that I need to do in the backyard, and this is the second time that I am filming this because the first time, I didn't even have a mic on. I know, that's me. So, I'm going to just pick up from where I left off, and that is I am going to be removing the soil out of that little oval bed that I have because I'm relocating that raised bed, and I have two new raised beds that I am going to put in its place. So, come along with me. Well, that wasn't good. Need to raise it higher. Sure what this is. sweet grass, could you please exit out my home? Okay, y'all.
Hey, do you see those buttons below the video? Tap on a couple of them. That's what they're there for. It only takes a couple of clicks. Thank you.
Please forgive my heavy breathing, because I've been working. And right when I was getting ready to start trying to level off this bed, guess what I found? I think it's dead. I touched its tail and it didn't move. You see that? That's a snake. I don't know what kind it is, but it's a snake. You know I said I don't like anything that has more than 2 legs? I don't like these little creepy crawlers either. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I gotta finish this bed though. And if there's one, it could possibly be a nest somewhere. I know there are tons of holes in our ground. I don't know if they were dug up by or dug out by gophers or I don't know what animal. But there are big holes in the back part of the fence in the ground. Oh my goodness. Okay. I guess I'm gonna have to deal with this some kind of way. Being a gardener, these are things that you are going to learn, that you're going to have to become accustomed to. That I am finding out quickly. This is the first time I've encountered a snake though. So, where are my gloves? I'm not going to pick it up with my hands because like I said, I think it's dead. I don't know for certain, but I think it is. So I'm going to use my shovel. But I need to get this bed off of it. I did not have this in the plan today. Nope, he not dead.
Oh, Jesus.
Nope, he not dead. No, 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 no. I'm stopping. I can't handle that. I can't handle it. No, 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 no. Okay. I need to send a picture to my hubs. Because this is, Like I said, I know we're supposed to get used to this, but I can't handle it if it's alive. I was doing real well, thinking it was dead. Okay, so I can't see myself. Okay, so I got the heebie-jeebies, y'all. So I am going to stop right now because I just can't. Like I said, I was doing real well when I thought it was dead, trying to get it with the shovel so I could toss him somewhere. But this joker ain't dead. He moved when I tried to pick him up with the shovel. I can't do it. So I will have my husband, because he just left going to work. Well, this thing was up under the weed covering that I had down, and I didn't know it. I didn't notice him because I was too busy, you know. Whew. But thank you for joining me. Okay. Okay, I just gotta chill. So thank you for joining me. If this is your first time or you... Okay. If this is your first time or your fifth time watching one of our videos, please consider subscribing. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified the next time we upload a video. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. Until I see you back out here in the garden, hopefully not fighting another snake, take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.
Hit the like button, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.